while wearing lingerie.
Oh yeah, it's gonna be good.
So I put up this video on TikTok, right? And got a bunch of views. So I was like, from there, that's where I'm gonna start, grabbing people from my OnlyFans.
Oh yeah.
And my TikTok.
Yeah, that's right.
These are people who don't know me, so obviously they want to. So,
but then also, because that could blow up, so it'll be people who know you too, but it's still good. Ultimately, you want to lead them back to where the money at, and the money's gonna be on OnlyFans. So your content should be on OnlyFans.
yeah. That's where the money at.
And then like snippets should be on, Instagram or TikTok to lead them back to your OnlyFans.
Yeah.
But I met this girl on Clubhouse, and basically she skipped past OnlyFans and went straight to like her website. If you go on her website, you gotta subscribe, and then she'll do it that way. That way the money go directly to her.
Okay, straight to her instead of having to do a cutout. Because at first I was like, damn, like, do I really want to do that? But
Do what?
they do an OnlyFans. So one of my
They got Patreon, which is it doesn't have the negative. I don't want to say negative connotation or negative like what you call it, but like you can kind of do more of what you want on there. But people automatically assume that it's like super sex,
But my best friend said to me, Devin, maybe you should just think differently about the platform itself and how you monetize it. And it's like, you don't have to be doing that.
Yeah, I didn't know that.
I didn't know that either.
Cause I didn't know a lot of photographers. All the photography work, them teaching classes, people use it for like other things, not related to sex.
Monique does it for workouts.
Who?
Monique. Like, the comedian?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, she does it for workouts.
Oh,
So,
yeah.
So, I'm like, especially cooking content. I'm a big foodie.
Yep.
There's some whole cloves of garlic in here right now, okay?
I was gonna say I got
She
pizza.
eat oil, baby.
You got
Can you show
pizza.
this? Like, this is whole cloves of garlic.
Yeah.
Like, sitting in oil, baby. This is real garlic
That's
Parmesan
crazy.
wings, baby. These are real
And then she got her
ones.
salad, so I'm a salad.
Hello. Look at that Caesar salad. Look
Get
at
my
that.
head out the way.
That's homemade dressing, baby.
Come on now. It's
Don't
good.
play. Not about mine.
Not over here.
Not over here.
Not today.
Okay? And food.
Not on the Lord's Day.
Not on his day.
So we started the video off basically talking about other something. So I guess this is like more like an intro now. Hey.
Hey.
Welcome back to our YouTube channel. That's all you probably gonna be on. I be saying that all the time. How about hey, welcome to our YouTube channel on IG.
Really?
Okay.
Cool. One day.
We'll be here. I'm Brittany.
I'm Devin.
This is my friend Devin. We out here having like a cute, classy, sophisticated lunch. Outside of the pizzeria, whatever. We got a menu. We got lemonade, and she got water.
Yeah.
And she ain't really eat no carbs either, but. No, she got the you got the what's it called? Garlic knot. Yeah, garlic knots.
It's so good. This is so good, but definitely they do talk about monetizing other things besides sex.
Yeah.
It's really cool, but I think that people probably do that so that it stops others from being able to make money. Doing other things besides selling sex.
Oh yeah, that's true.
So definitely cooking up on there. Come and watch me.
There was
some kimchi, all that.
There was a somebody on Clubhouse, and they were starting their own platform. It was something similar to OnlyFans. It was called something else with a fans at the end, and you had the option to turn off like the sex part, like so you got like I think like work friendly.
Okay.
So it's like a tab, and you can like switch it to just like but when every corporation can see, or if you wanted it to be like kind of super sex, you could like turn that switch, and they don't even promote you to like, So
you gotta figure that out.
yeah, I know the name. I didn't want to say it on the because I don't know about them yet. I heard one thinking I didn't get any clarity, so I wanted to make sure.
Oh, awesome.
Before I give him some light, you know?
Good for you. You should fact check. Some people
I don't like looking crazy on the internet. Not on the World Wide Web.
Yeah.
That's not cute. Yeah, it's so cute.
Thank you. I got them for $2.
They had more of these for one pair.
Huh? Oh.
No, they had the one pair, or they had like more.
Multiple pair. I'm gonna take you to this farmer's market that I've been going to.
Yeah,
Well, I've been going there for my whole life, but I went to yesterday. I took my mom there, and I actually got some crystals. I got some sterling silver earrings, and they have like onyx in them to match my ring. Yes, I got they had beautiful amethyst jewelry in there.
Damn kids.
Like,
you hear the kids running? They down over there. I'm sorry. Amethyst? Go ahead.
Clear quartz, rose quartz, a lot of turquoise, beautiful earrings. I got some really, really cute earrings from there. Yes, and then I also got one of my friends. I got her a push gift.
Oh.
So I got her some opal earrings. So that's her birthstone.
People still out here having babies?
Yeah, they can have them for me.
I don't feel like that.
Why do you think so?
What do you mean?
Like why?
Why I don't want kids? I don't want kids. Let's be clear. Because I heard that can turn some men off. So I don't not want kids.
They're like, nah, it's a word.
Right. I like them. I like kids. But I don't want to be like stuck in a situation. Not stuck, but I remember being a kid. I remember, like, and it wasn't that I had a bad childhood, but you know, that like I was like family, you know, staying in care place, you don't have no thoughts, no feelings, no emotions, like, and that wasn't crucial until I like get to where, come on, train, until I can get to where I know how to handle my own and someone else's. I don't think it's fair to kids that because parents don't know how to deal with something.
Yeah, their own emotions. And
yeah, or even situations like, oh, I didn't know, so I did what I could and deal with that. I want to know how to even be mature and say, I don't know it, but let's figure it out. So until then, that's what I want for kids. I don't not want kids. Because also, you stuck with kids for 18, 26 years.
No, for the rest of your life. I told you I be calling my dad every other day. Like, yo, let me get $20, Jen.
Okay.
You got it. I know you got it.
So $20 hit.
That's $20 hit.
$20 hit.
Depending on how you spend it.
We grown when you $20 because
exactly, you can get somewhere and get something.
Okay, it's hard out here for a parent.
Well, don't play me, Chan.
Not Champ.
Not Chan. I need some money. You don't know, Joe. That's probably why you don't answer.
Yeah, Menzies.
This is a very beautiful area, though.
It is, it really is.
Very beautiful.
We gotta do this more. I think feel good. But you gotta talk about got like drinks. But they might have drinks.
They might. I'm down with it.
I think so.
Very nice. It's a very cute little area. Hope we're going good. South Jersey. I want to hang out with you. I want to hang out with you. Like, you do like living in Jersey. Like, I've never heard you.
do.
You do.
And I think people always like, I think I'm the only person that likes living in Jersey. Like, I don't care how rich I get. Like, I feel like I can like live in like LA, Atlanta for a couple months, go there for a couple of weeks. Ultimately, I want to fly back to New Jersey, where like New Brunswick is a city. Don't get me wrong, but it's not a big city. So you don't have all that.
Where in Jersey?
I would want to live in New Brunswick. Or like really anywhere near there, or really anywhere that's kind of like I can like dip off to. I don't mind like going out to LA and going to Atlanta and you know doing business and being busy and coming home chilling, close enough to New York. The thing about Jersey is like right in between. Jersey's really great. It's very expensive to live here, but it's great. It's great. And all the celebrities live here. Like even when they did like Mob Wives in New York.
Oh yeah, they all live in Jersey.
Yeah,
Yeah.
in Jersey. Like,
wings?
I don't know where. Thank you.
Do you guys need anything else?
No.
Okay,
Alright,
so,
enjoy.
thank you. I know where big is.
Can I do a diet Coke? Sure. And then can we're just gonna share a plain pizza. I guess the medium.
Anything. I'll take something on this time. Okay.
Okay, so we got 6 wings. They were so good.
Hold on.
But she actually brought us. Oh, okay.
Yeah, I wanted to get that for a minute. He mad old with that one, but it's okay.
So we got these ones, right? And I was like, oh my god, I want 6 more. So she brought 12 wings. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Make sure there's 6 back. It doesn't work.
I don't know. I prefer after 6. Can I call myself? You're right down. Right down. But yeah.
I would like to dip off too. Yeah, because in Philly, like I live, like I said, in North Philly, like, I live all the way. Like I live in the top, like more towards the top.
On the lip. I think right there. There you go. You got it? It's like right there. I took it. No, it's gone now. It's gone.
Yeah, probably like more towards the top. I don't live too far from the Northeast. But definitely live in North Philly. Let me grab this for you.
I'm gonna just slide this.
No, bring it over. Bring it over, yes. You did such a good job, Cheese. You did such a good job. Like, these are what garlic parmesan is supposed to be like.
Is that better?
Garlic parm. These are real garlic parmesan wings, right? That is what they be doing. I love it. Great food spots.
Yeah. This is Francesco Pizzeria Ristorante.
We're on High and
High and Burlington. You can't sound the love making. Okay. Cause this walk gonna be struggling. I'm forever this.
Wow. Wow.
Always someone spelling something.
Very hot.
But this is
It's gonna go down.
I'm just a big fan of wings.
Maybe I love wings. I think people give me flack because I will dead eyes order like chicken. Oh, I used to at least order chicken fingers everywhere. I'm that girl. And people think it's because I'm picky. But I'm not picky like necessarily in a childish way. I mean, I am to an extent, but like when I go out in public, I don't trust the beef that they sell in stores. So if I'm going to trust the beef, it's going to be the beef that I can inspect with my eyes, touch with it. And I try not to eat even like, I'm not one of the people who don't eat beef, I don't eat turkey. I eat all the meats. I eat all. Okay? Pause. Pause. But I don't know, like I don't trust, people know, everybody don't cook a burger the same way. The consistency is different. You never know how, and we getting older, you never know how your stomach's going to react. So what they put and how they prepare the burger, right? You never know necessarily what preservatives are in. People use, how long have they meat, whether it's frozen, and it's not always fresh. So if I want to, come on now. So chicken is like the safest you're about to go. You know what I mean? Well, I mean, as far as, come on, I don't know. But that's the main part, because like I'm not really big on eating beef out like that. But with steak you can get it well done. But I don't go to that many steak spots. Don't nobody want to go to steak spots, but hopefully you do.
I love steak. Can I get my medium?
Oh no, I get mine. Well.
Do you ladies need anything?
Can I have a refill?
Yeah, no problem.
Okay, and I honestly am so sorry. I think I meant 12 in total, but
Did they not give you 12?
no, I meant like I already ate 6.
Oh my god, I am so sorry. That's my fault.
No, it's okay. I just wanted to communicate that, but I didn't know what you wanted me to.
Do you want me to just change it to 6 then for you? Yeah, it's okay. I'm sorry.
They're so good.
Pepsi?
Yes, Diet Pepsi, yes. It's okay, I'll chip it.
But with chicken, I like chicken different ways. I went to Martha's Vineyard and had chicken satay, which is additional. It's like an Asian kind of meal.
What did you have?
Chicken pate.
Chicken pad thai?
Is it pate? I don't know how it's spelled. I just assumed it was pronounced pate.
Yeah, it's pad thai.
Pate. And I saw it in some of the in Singapore. So that's kind of how I tied it together.
I love chicken pad thai.
But it was a Thai restaurant, I think.
Love it.
Was it Thai? I'm gonna say it was a Thai restaurant.
I've been in multiple places that have not been Thai restaurants and they've sold chicken pad thai. Because I recently had sushi recently. Thank you so much, and it was chicken pad
No
thai.
problem. Did you guys need anything else?
No, not at the moment. Thank you so much. So much chicken pad thai. But I usually will get beef. I used to really suck at picking food out, but now I just kind of like, all right, well, I know I like this in there. Well, I know this tastes good, so if they're all together usually, then that's what I go for. But yeah, I'm pretty wild and daring when I go out.
Not for me. I'm not wild and daring. I'm wild and daring in how I like my chicken season. I like different chicken season and different people. You know what I mean? So like that's why I'm big on like chicken. Like I'm the nigga that's not tired of chicken. Never. Season it up a different way. We're good to go.
I know.
Grill it.
Tenderloin.
Grill it, sear it, bake it, fry it, air fryer now. Air fryer is the thing right now. I air fry everything. Pizza, I'm not throwing it in the oven. I'm not throwing it in the microwave. I'm throwing it in the air fryer.
Damn.
French fries, throw them in the air fryer.
What about bacon?
I don't know, I haven't tried that. But like my home fries in the air fryer.
I was literally just about to say that. Those are pretty famous.
Yes.
Home fries, okay?
Yes.
I've seen them made.
Yes. I can make it, and they taste so good in the
I
air
know.
fryer. The right amount of crisp. It's like so crispy.
I see what you do. What you put your little
friends.
season on there.
Ooh, we get to my food. Oh yeah, I season that real good.
You do.
My mouth watering right now.
You cook a mean little.
I think I made a little breakfast, you know? I make a good egg. I don't eat eggs, but I know how to make egg and omelet.
You don't eat eggs?
I don't. My mom loves my omelet. I have no clue what they taste like. My mom loves my omelet. I would make my best friend like scrambled eggs and stuff.
Why don't you like them? They do stink a little bit.
This is the idea. I've never actually tasted eggs before.
Really?
That's
Like
crazy.
by themselves?
Like a scrambled egg, like an omelet. Cause for me it's the texture.
No?
I'm okay. I'm quite alright.
The texture honestly reminds me of Have you ever had like coffee and saltfish?
No, I don't eat seafood. I tell people I'm allergic to seafood. I'm not really allergic, but because then people be like,
Well, it's seafood, but it's like
yeah, I don't eat seafood though.
I guess it is seafood because it's fish, but
I'm allergic. Yeah, you're not about to try to convince me or shame me into eating seafood. I don't
you
like
eat salmon.
Ladies, you guys doing good over here so far? Do you need more lemonade?
Yes, please.
Yes? Okay.
Thank you so
You're
much.
welcome. No problem.
No salmon.
No seafood
mackerel.
at all. No seafood at all.
snapper.
If it's seafood, I don't eat it at all.
Fish is like not the same though.
No. And then it's seafood. It's
When it
swimming.
comes from the sea, okay.
Find where I want it.
It's so wild. No ceviche, no calamari, no scallops, no oysters,
Do it. Is it a what animal?
fried calamari, ceviche. Yeah. Okay, Brittany, I don't know what we're gonna do with you when we travel. Like, what the fuck are you
We're
gonna
gonna find some good seasoned chicken. Okay. If I gotta bring my own chicken breast, we're gonna find restaurants where you can bring your own meat or cook your own meat. And I'm gonna throw a
They do
little
have that.
chicken breast.
We can go to a Korean
upon there.
barbecue.
And there you go. That's it. Look
have
at
that
what you're gonna do. You're gonna take me to a Korean barbecue. That's what you're gonna do with me.
Yeah, we have that. You could actually cook it on the grill.
Uh-oh, it's
Throw it
shaking.
on there. Girl, they got chicken for days in
Chicken
there.
or chicken? Yeah, I like that.
Yeah, we don't even gonna be able to go to Chick-fil-A.
But does it make sense? Like, I don't necessarily trust. It's not on from a conspiracy. Thank you so much.
You're very welcome.
But if someone's going to cook my food,
Blue cheese.
I want it to be cooked a certain way. I'm sorry. I don't eat blue cheese, so I assume that it's disgusting to everybody. Everyone is.
No, I had dipped it. I just felt like I was like, yeah, she don't want me to have it. What's going on?
No, I don't.
Trying to monitor my
I
intake.
don't want
What's going
anybody
on?
to have
Because
it. I don't want.
Okay.
Because I don't understand it.
I love it.
Oh, now I see the dip mark. I didn't see
Yeah,
it
I was
before.
like,
I
that
just
was-
assumed
I
I
said-
don't eat it. No, like the whole.
And I just watched as it went from here to here. I was like, what is?
I didn't even see. I didn't
I was
know
like,
you
you
knew I
know
did it.
what?
I think it's just so automatic for me. Just
You're like
that's the way.
nobody likes it.
No, I don't eat it. No one does.
I love it. Like I love blue cheese. I love the crumbles. Girl, love me. Listen, love a Cobb salad. Okay. And I don't know what the fuck Chick-fil-A is thinking, but Cobb salads don't have corn in them.
I thought that was somebody in a car riding by. That's the same man.
Yeah.
With the radio attached to it. With his boombox. I'm gonna stop for my wig fall off.
Just it.
And you know, I got like a widow's peak.
Yeah, me too.
And I got like a gray hair. I don't know if they put it up all the time, but I got
What
a
is
gray
it?
hair. And that gray hair be sticking out the wig.
I thought you said you had a patch. You want to say you have a patch of gray hair? I said, Brittany,
No, I got them all over. I got them all over really.
Mm.
I got a gang. It's a great gang activity in my hair.
I think I have some too. I don't know.
I don't like it.
I'm about checking though.
Yeah, don't worry about it.
I'm checking from you.
Don't even worry about it.
This was marvelous.
He's right. I
I really
want
indulge
to
you.
come back again.
This is awesome.
Oh, so okay, so we're gonna just go ahead and end this mukbang here because we out full, and you know what I mean. She's gonna start a channel at some point. Until then, follow her on Instagram at
Dev Nasties. That's with 3 V's, 3 Y's. At
I'll put it on the screen too. I'm gonna go ahead and do. If not, I'll put it in the description box.
just Dev Nasty on all platforms.
Dev Nasty on all platforms. That was real cute. And on Instagram, I am. Oh, that was a bang. I am GlamCon at I am GlamCon. I'll put that in the description box as well. And that's for our mukbang eating Italian food. Oh, someone FaceTime me. All right, we gotta go. Yeah, that was cute again.